We have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best-rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Exercise in the comfort of your own home with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill. This foldable treadmill is built with an 800-watt motor that can power any level of workout. Switch between 5 program speeds and 3 exercise routines to make the most out of your workout. The built-in digital display allows you to track your distance, speed, time, and calories burned, while the integrated grip readers monitor your heart rate. Revolutionize your workout with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill by Best Choice Products.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.